Hey guys, welcome to the end of day breakdown on EURUSD. This is a trade I took on the 13th. I'll just zoom out for now. We'll go back to it. So it's taken here on the 13th, right? So let me explain why I took it. I got taken out at break even, actually, but that is, again, better than losing money, but also kind of once against my rules. I was kind of rushed into the trade. I'd normally wait for this 15-minute change of character and take it at this 3-minute supply, right? Would have been really, really nice, but I kind of rushed it because I saw this. I saw a lot of weakness. See these wicks, these topside wicks, we tried to break above, but none of these could. So I thought, look, there'd be a lot of bearish pressure. We're more likely than not to keep going down. And kind of was right, but I just moved to break even too quickly, I guess. But again, next time, I'm just going to wait for that 15-minute, next minute, going to wait for that 3-minute change of character and return to supply, right? Anyway, so we'll zoom out and I'll explain why I took this trade. So first, clearly you see bearish structure, right? Break a structure, there's actually a bearish structure as well. Just because we're going to ignore all of this for now, right? Bearish structure. I had 4-hour supply zones marked out here and here, but obviously we didn't get a return to that. Now, we're going to return to this 4-hour supply. This is irrelevant too at the moment. And now what I'm watching for is weakness off this higher time frame zone, right? Look at these topside wicks. This huge wick here just indicates to me there's a lot of bearish pressure, right? Cool. So that's done. Now we know there's some validity in the zone. Cool. So now we're coming here. See all this bullish pressure coming into the zone? There's a lot of strength coming into the zone. But once we get into the zone, we see a lot of bearish pressure initially, right? A lot more bearish candles than bullish candles. And that just confirms our weakness in that zone, right? Or our strength in that zone and weakness in price action. Next. There's a lot of areas here you could have taken trades, but this is where I took the trade. So I see entry into the 4-hour supply zone. Then on the 15-minute time frame, we have this change of character, or this internal change of character, whatever you want to call it. And we have this continuation, right? At this stage, we're looking for a continuation trade, not a reversal. Maybe a reversal down here, right? That's why I had my take profit just at that candle here. Next. We've got that 15-minute change of character, right? Because, so 15-minute breaker structure and 15-minute supply zone outlined, right? Next, we are going to wait for a return to that supply zone, which we had right here. Cool? Now, the reason I took this trade here and not wait for 3-minute internal change is because I saw a lot of bearish strength here, because if I zoom back into the 15-minute, you can see the candles here. They have a lot of topside wicks. There's a lot of bearish pressure here. My idea was we just keep going down, right? Kind of what happened, but I got taken out of break even. Not as bad as losing money, but not ideal. Whatever. Right? So we had this bullish pressure here, and I saw these wicks, and this is where I took the trade at. Just look, 107.903. So that was here, actually. That's where I took the trade and had my stop loss a couple of pips above this last high. Yep, just in case you get wicked out like that. Anyway, really beautiful trade. Only if I had waited for this 3-minute internal change of character and return to this supply zone, it could have looked pretty much like that, or like that. That would have been a nice 1 to 4, right? Whatever, I can't do it on the past. Just in my trading notes, I've added just wait for that 3-minute change of character next time. Okay, you can either do that or just not put your stops to break even. I'd rather not do that. But again, main purpose of that was 3-minute change of character. Just wait for it and then look to take the trade. Right? That's all good for me. But yeah, thanks.